Hello everyone. Hope you all are staying safe, taking good care of yourself and staying at home also. So today we are going to learn how to write numbers in words and figures. Since nothing specific instruction is given to us that in which system, according to which system you have to write the number name in words or figures. But by looking at the figures, what is given over here? A figure with single comma, no other comma. Before the comma there are three digits, and after the comma also there are three digits moving from right to left. Before 3 and after also 3. So, where the grouping or one group, one period of the number system is having 3 digits in it, we know that it is under international system. So what we will do, we will write the number name according to international system. If you will be able to see two commas means one more over here, then what you will do, you will write the number name according to Indian place value system. But since there is only one comma, so we will write according to international place value system. International place value system, we read three numbers together. What is the name of this? How you will read this number or name of this number? 3 together. 120. Second group is what? Of 1000. So 120,000. Is there anything else? No. So we simply write 120,000. Okay. Now coming to our next, we can see that there are how many commas? 2 commas. Means how many periods are there? 3 periods. In each period we can see 3 digits here. It means again we have to write according to international place value system only. So first group is of ones, second is of thousand, third is of million. How many million? Only one digit there. So how many million? 2 million. How many thousand? 30,000 and 300. So what you will write? 2 million. 30,000 and what? And simply 300. That's all. So this is the number name for this figure. For third figure, let us see 3 digits in one group, 3 in one and 2 in one. Again, it is a international system. It is a figure written in international system form. So what we will do? First group 60, second group 106, and in third there is 37. So we will write 37 under which group? Million. So you simply has to write 37 what? 37 million. Then what comes what? 106 or 106 what? 106,000, because that is under which group? 1000 groups. So we will write 106,000. Is anything left? Yes, 60. So we simply add 60 at the end. Okay. Now coming to our fourth figure. Here we can see that there are 3 digits everywhere. So we will read 3 together. In third group, ones, thousand and millions. We start writing from left to right. In third group there are 3 digits. So we read those 3 together. What are they? 268. 268 what? Million. So we will write here 268. 268 what? 268 million. Then comes what? 450. But 450 how what? Under the head 1000. So we will write 450,000. Then comes what? Still 3 digits are left. So for that we will write 100. How much? 11. 111. That's it. Now there are some number names written over here and we have to write figures for it. Our highest place value is 7 million. It means we have to write the number according to international place value figures. So highest place value is 7 million means 1 million. So we have to write the place values first. According to international place value, first group is having ones, tens and 100. Second group is again having ones, tens and 100 but of 1000. Third group is having ones because there is only 7 million. So 1 million. So we will write 7 here. After 7 million there is simply 7 means this 7 will go at the ones place and remaining place will be filled by zeros because nothing else is written. So we will put comma accordingly before every 3 digit and read this number will be read as 7,000,007. Now coming to next one. 220 million. Simply million. Nothing else after million. But how many million? 220. Means all the place values of millions are there. Ones, tens, 100. Again ones, tens, 100 of 1000. And again ones, tens and 100 of million also. So this is of 1000 and this is of ones. So for how many million? 220 million. So write here 220 and at the remaining places we will fill that places with zeros. So this number can be read as 220 million. Now coming to our third one. 400,633,000 million. How many million? 400. Again means we have to take all the place value up to 100 million. This is for ones, this is for 1000 and this is for million. So how many million? 400 million. So we will write 4 under 100. Then comes what? 633,000. 6,000 under the head 1000 it is. So 633,000. That's the end of this number name. So what to do for the rest of the places? At rest of the places we will put zeros. And when we put comma, we are going to read this number as 400,633,000. Okay, now coming to our last one, 22,500,000. 500,000. 678. How many million? 22 million. How many thousand? 500 and 500,000. So what we will do? 22 million means up to tens. Place value is up to tens for million. Ones, tens, 100 for ones. Ones, tens, 100 for 1000. and ones and tens only for million, because how many millions are there? 22. So we will write 22 million. How many thousand? 500,000. 5 under 100. 500,000. 678. 678. 500,000. So we will put comma and read this number as 22,500,678. Thanks for watching.